everybody, it's Deborah from Time with Joe by Deborah. So today, as promised, we are doing our January super clearance, and I like to do these once or twice a year. These will be all craft bags. You will claim it by the number. You can put them in the comment section, and I will have a purple screen after this video that gives you the ordering instructions. So yes, leave your number of the item that you would like. All these craft bags will be $5. And then I have, let's see, 18 available. And we'll get started. All right, so this you will claim with number 1. So this has some fun stones, some silver tone. Now this can have rhinestones, it can have broken jewelry, it can even have some wearable, resellable jewelry in it. So you've got a whole bunch of different mixed materials. So this will be bag number 1, and that will be $5. All right, bag number 2 has a little bit more color. We've got reds, pinks, yellows, golds, silver tone. There could be anything in here: bracelets, rings, earrings, necklaces, brooches. So this will be bag number 2, and like I said, these are all $5. All right, bag number 3 has a lot of silver tone, some black tone, some wood. This also has, looks like, some stone down there, some rhinestones. So really pretty pieces. They can be onesie earrings. So this is bag number 3. And it will be $5. So don't forget to check the sold list. I will make a sold list. You know, if they come in overnight and I haven't put it down on the sold list, then I will get to it. No worries. So first come, first serve. And I know sometimes people want the same bag. So I will look at the timestamps as when they come in. So again, this is bag number 3, and it is $5. Bag number 4 has bracelets, looks like silver tone, rhinestones, some leather. It has some silver tone, not sure what that is. That could be glass. So really super pretty. This will be bag number 4 for $5. Bag number 5 has this gorgeous shell. Now I know there was a piece or two missing on this, but this would be a great piece to take apart and reassemble. So this is bag number 5. It has a whole bunch of different types of colors and items in it. So again, bag number 5 will be $5. So I like to do this for my crafters because, you know, it is the beginning of the year, and this gives you time to get all the items that you need to craft for the holidays for next year, or well, for this year now, this 2024. So this is bag number 6. It looks like it has some bracelets, some brass tone, some, I'm not sure what that is, some white, some pinks. There is jam-packed a bunch in here, and most of these weigh about 2 pounds. So number 6 is $5. Number 7 has this fun and funky bracelet, some blues, some brass tone, silver tone, gold tone. Could have rings in it. It could have necklaces. It could have brooches. So this one's a little bit larger. It has a vintage bracelet in here. So this is bag number 7, and it's $5. Bag number 8 is pretty heavy. This one has got this vintage piece here. We've got earrings, we've got bracelets, we've got tassels, we have necklaces. This one is much larger. So this one will cost a little bit more to ship. It looks like it's got some crystals in there. This one's probably about 4 pounds. It's a little bit bigger. Some watches. So this is bag number 8, and it's $5. Bag number 9 is another big bag. This will also be $5. This has necklaces, bracelets. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Forget what I put in here. So these are all either onesie earrings or missing stone or have some minor scratching on them. So this is another large bag. This is number 9, and that is $5. So I hope you guys love these bonus videos. I love doing these because I know there's so many of you out there that are crafters that need jewelry to do it with. And so this is the time of year to get it. So this is $5. It's number 10. It's got some feathers. It's got some vintage, some bracelets. I know this is sold at Anthropologie. We've got some acrylics, some gold tone. That looks maybe vintage. This looks like it's got a lot of vintage earrings in it. So like I said, some may be wearable, but most of it is crafting. This is number 10. That'll be $5. Number 11. This has blacks and whites. It has coins, gold tone, silver tone, earrings, because I just poked myself. So be careful when you guys open these. Some really beautiful colors in here. So this is number 11, and that will be $5. Running out of space here on my table. And I'll be doing more of these. I have a bunch. And if you guys like this, let me know. Because I'm going to start doing small bags of wearable jewelry as well. This is all craft today. But there might be some wearable in here. So just let me know in the comments. Leave me a message. Let me know. So this is number 12. It's got some bracelets in it. It's got some rhinestones. Oh, there's a hole in the bag, so I will get that taped up. These little findings came out of here. So I will get a piece of tape on that bag, or I'll rebag it for you. So this has some faux pearls in it. Gold tone, silver tone. This is number 12, $5. All right, number 13. Has some reds. Oh, look at these beads. Aren't those fun? It's got, this is really cool too. So we've got some chains in here, some fun colors, different types of beads. You never know. There could be rhinestones in the center too. That could be leather, not positive. So this is bag 13, and you guessed it, $5. Okay. Bag number 14. It's stuck. Here we go. Here is bag number 14. It's got, looks like some necklaces in there, some earrings, some bracelets, some colorful beads. Looks like some rhinestones there, necklaces. So this bag is number 14. It will be $5. All right. And then we have bag 15. This has some faux pearls. These could be real pearls in there. I am not positive on that. We've got some vintage beads. We've got an elephant. Those look fun. I'm not sure if those are glass or not, but you've got some fun beads in there. So this is bag number 15 for, you guessed it, $5. Bag 16. Here we go. This has got whites, reds, some shell in it. Looks like some earrings. That looks like some paparazzi. Different colorful beads in here. Like I said, it can have earrings. It can have anything in it. It is number 16 for $5. All right. Number 17 has some gorgeous yellow, some red, some blue seed beads, necklaces, bracelets. There can be earrings in here. I am not sure what's in the center. So this is a heavy bag. That's cool. Kind of looks like a gold tone, copper tone. So this is number 17. It is $5. And if you guys like these, let me know, because I have another probably 150 pounds of craft jewelry, and I love to give you guys a deal. So this is bag 18, the last one. It looks like it's got some bracelets, some rhinestones, some faux pearls, some fun beads, some bracelets, probably earrings in there, some leather. So this one is bag number 18, and as you guessed, it's $5. So just leave a comment below with the number, and I will go in order for claiming. So I have 18 bags in this one, and if you guys do like this, let me know. I can do these craft bags all of January if you'd like. Not a problem. And they're $5, and then I'm not sure what shipping will be. Each one will be a little bit different, but most of these bags I think I can fit into a padded envelope bag. So all right, you guys, well, thank you so much. Let's get a great start to 2024, get all our plans ready to go. And I thought I'd do a crafter special. So, okay, you guys, you have a fantastic day or evening wherever you are in this very small world of ours. And as always, be well and take care of each other. Don't forget to tell someone you love them today. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Don't forget the purple screen's coming. Bye.